Let's make a super cute key fob out of this craft foam and these cute little Jibbitz. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know. And if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so as you may remember, I bought these Jibbitz mistakenly. I thought they were silicone beads, but now I have to figure out what to do with them, right? Yes, I could put them in my Crocs, but we can't be that basic. Come on. So I thought, maybe we could make a little key fob. Key fobs are so kiss simple, it's not even funny. Let me just say this though. Look at how cute these are. Okay, I'm from Massachusetts, and you know Massachusetts and Dunkin' Donuts, they're like besties, right? So I have this craft foam I got from Michael's, and I have key fob hardware that I had gotten on Amazon. They are 1 inch wide. So you want to make sure you just cut a strip of your craft foam 1 inch wide. Here it is, 1 inch wide. And I always use the rule of how much I need lengthwise and how it fits on my wrist. It could be longer or shorter for you. Then once I have that cut down, now I'm just going to mark on the 1 inch craft foam. I'm just going to mark little dots as to where I'm going to put my slits to put our little Jibbitz in. I'm going to tell you this. This is almost laughable. It's so easy. Yes, and I like it. I use my little X-Acto knife, and I'm just putting a slit. Just a slit. That's it. Super small one. You don't want it super big so they don't fall out. Then we're going to put our key fob hardware on, which is it has like little teeth on the inside, and you use pliers and squeeze it on and quit it. Like you could have just left it just like that but I needed something to put my Jibbitz on. So we're going to put the little Jibbitz on it and quit it right now. These are so cute. It looks so adorable. And would this not make a great gift? Let me just say this. Stay with me. Do one of these and the little pouch. But yes, you'll see at the end, I made a little pouch to go with this. Put a little gift card for Dunkin' Donuts. Great for a teacher, for your mom, for your friend, for yourself. I'm just saying, what a cool gift idea. I love it, especially those who love the coffee or the sweets from the Dunkin' Donuts. Hello. But yeah, if you're watching this on TikTok, again, I probably have a little link somewhere for these little Jibbitz. If not, I think I have them linked in my Amazon cart. The moral of this story is, read descriptions, because had I read the description, I would have realized that these were Jibbitz and not silicone beads. But you know what? If I did, then I never would have gotten to this point where I got to make something cool. So praise God, I'm excited that we got to do this. Anyways, I put my little pouch on it. I think it's super cute. I hope you enjoy it. I love it. I think it's super cute. All right, well, if you don't like it, I hope you enjoyed the commentary. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.